Dehumidifiers are an essential tool if you are trying to keep the overall humidity level down in your home. A dehumidifier removes excess moisture from the air in your home to help prevent mold and mildew, improve air quality, and protect your belongings. Once the desirable humidity level has been reached, run the dehumidifier frequently to maintain the desirable humidity level. Place bedroom windows on vent during the day and at night if possible. This will help to maintain airflow. Place lids on boiling pans to prevent the steam adding to the property's moisture level. Also, it won't only boil faster, it will save you money on your energy bill. Installing an extractor fan in your bathroom is an essential way to improve air quality, reduce humidity, and regulate temperature. These vents are designed to help prevent or minimize problems associated with poor ventilation, such as condensation and mold growth. Additionally, they help remove stale air from the property. Maintain a steady room temperature. Avoid letting the temperature drop too low, and try to keep it stable throughout the day. Using a kitchen extractor fan helps to remove cooking odors, smoke, and steam, improving air quality and maintaining a pleasant environment. Hang your washing outdoors if possible. It's free. Improve the insulation around your home to help prevent cold spots. In the winter months, if it's not possible to naturally dry clothes outdoors, a dryer will help to keep the home moisture levels down. This is a better alternative than hanging clothes on central heating radiators.